To connect your Google Business Profile or Google My Business data to Google Sheets, first we will need to install a Google Sheets add-on that you can find in the description of this video. There, click on Install, Continue, and connect the same Google account that you use for Google Sheets. Then you will click on Allow to grant permissions to Powermetrics to access your Google account. Click on Next, Done, and we have installed our Google Sheets add-on. To find it, open a new Google Sheets document and click on Extension. Here we will find our Powermetrics Google Sheet extension. Click on Launch, and with this extension now you can import marketing data from any source like Facebook, social media, and for this exercise, Google Business Profile for local SEO reports. Here I will choose the Google Business Profile integration, and I will click to connect a new account. Then connect the Google account that has access to your locations, click on Allow, and click on Next to go back to Google Sheets. We have connected our Google Business Profile data. It is time to create our report. The first step is giving a name to this query because we will save it for later setting automatic data refreshes, and I will call this report Local SEO Performance. Then I will connect, or I will choose the Google account I have connected, and now I can choose my locations. And this is special because if you're a franchise, for instance, in a single report, I can blend the data of multiple stores or multiple locations in a single view in Google Sheets. This is special because otherwise you need a lot of copy pasting or even engineers. Then I will choose a date range, and for this exercise I will choose the last month, but I can choose any date range available for Google Business Profile data. And finally, it is time to choose the data I want to import right here. Remember, when creating a query, you have two things: metrics and dimensions. Metrics are values or numbers. For Google Business Profile data, think of total reviews, total website clicks, total phone calls, total conversions, total impressions. And for dimension, I can break down my data by location, by reviewer, by date, and so on. This query is like this. Hey, I want to know my total reviews, my total bookings, my total phone calls, my total website clicks by date. And here, as you can see, we have imported our Google Business Profile data to Google Sheets. Now I will show you how to analyze this data and how to set automatic data refreshes. Now I will show you how to analyze your marketing data on Google Sheets by using pivot tables, conditional formatting, and charts. But remember, we will have more in-depth tutorials for all these topics so you can learn to win with your marketing data. Remember to subscribe, of course, to this channel. And also, for this exercise, I will be using Google Analytics for data, but this works with social media, paid ads, CRM data, whatever data. The first thing that I will do with the raw data that I have imported with the Google Sheets extension by Powermetrics is that I will select all the cells. Then click on Insert, and then click on Pivot Table. Select New Sheet, and click on Create. And we have created a pivot table. If you're not familiar with pivot tables, first, you will love them. And second, they are a way that let you sort, organize, and aggregate your raw data so you can analyze it quickly. And I will show you how it works. So first, for my rows, I will choose a dimension. In this case, I will do it with page title. Now I am breaking down my data by page of my website, but this data is not yet useful. I will select a metric or a value. So I will choose total users, my traffic, and I will select it in the values section. Now I am breaking down my traffic by page. But there is an issue here. I want to sort my data. I want to see the best performing content. So the sort by, instead of page title, will be by traffic. And also the order will be descending. Now with this query, I can see my best performing content in order. What is next? I will remove this dimension so you can see how quickly you can analyze your raw data. So I will remove page title and I will replace it with session and medium so I can know my acquisition sources. As you can see in this table, most of my traffic has an attribution problem. I don't know what it is, but after that, organic or SEO is our most important acquisition traffic with YouTube. Now, what is next? I want to do something else. I will want to go back to my query. So again, I will do it with page title, but I can set also a breakdown not only for rows, but for columns. So I will set sessions and medium for columns. Now I will have like a grid or a matrix where I can see my data by page title and also by acquisition source. I want to sort this data correctly. So the order of the session and medium will be by traffic and will be descending. This is correct. And also, the order of my raw dimension will be by traffic and descending. Now, I am seeing my data correctly because I am sorting it by top, by most traffic, by sources, and also by pages. Here in the top left corner, I can see my best performing channels and my best performing content. But this is not visual yet, so I will show you something else. I will go to format, click on conditional formatting, and I will set a rule. If the value of the cell is greater than a value, let's say 10,000 visitors, then highlight it. With this, I can quickly see that even though I have thousands of pages on my website, only 6 of them are driving more than 10,000 visitors to it. Now I will click on done. And as you can see, we can spot our best performing content and best performing channels in a single view. What is next? I will go again to my raw data and I will select again all the cells. What is next? I will click on insert, click on chart, and now I can display a chart so I can make my data more visual and easier to read for my audience, my clients, or my team. And with this, you have some examples on how you can analyze your marketing data in Google Sheets with pivot tables, conditional formatting, and charts.